Let the river flow, let the river flow, let the river of the Holy Spirit of God flow. Let the river of peace, let the river of joy, let the river of grace, let the river of hope, let the river of faith, let the river of love, let the river of mercy, let the river of His goodness, of His praise flow to our heart, flow in our hearts, flow from our heart. Let it flow, flow in our lives, flow wherever we go. Let the river flow, let the river flow, let the river flow. Let it keep flowing, let it keep flowing, let it never stop. Let it keep flowing to our heart. Let it keep flowing in our hearts. Let it keep flowing from our heart. Let it keep flowing, oh Jesus. Let it keep flowing, oh God. Let it flow.